Congratulations! You've purchased the Cotterman Maxi-Lift, a reliable American-made manually propelled elevating aerial platform. To help you achieve the best possible operation from your Maxi-Lift, we have prepared this video for your use in learning procedures for operating and maintaining the Maxi-Lift. The first part of the video is to be used in training your personnel in the proper use and operation of the Maxi-Lift. Part 2 will explain the proper maintenance of the Maxi-Lift. Only by thorough training can you enable your personnel to operate and maintain the Maxi-Lift safely and efficiently. At this time, we would like to thank you for making Cotterman Company your source for fine industrial equipment. This part of the video presents procedures required to operate the Maxi-Lift properly and safely. Use this video along with the manual to train those persons who will operate the Maxi-Lift and those responsible for the training of operators. Training of those personnel who will operate the Maxi-Lift must be conducted with the unit in an area free of obstructions or other hazards. Before using the Maxi-Lift, ensure that the unit has been properly serviced and is in good working order in accordance with the maintenance portion of this video and the instruction manual. Do not move the Maxi-Lift at any time, even when fully lowered, with personnel on the unit. First, survey the job site. The Maxi-Lift is intended for use on hard level surfaces such as concrete, asphalt, or wood and tile floors on a concrete base such as a gymnasium floor. Do not use on asphalt in hot weather without pads to distribute weight. Do not use the Maxi-Lift on soft or inclined surfaces such as dirt or gravel. Do not use on any portable surface such as truck beds and trailers. The Maxi-Lift is not designed to be operated in hazardous atmospheres containing explosive gases or dust. Do not operate the Maxi-Lift when exposed to wind, rain, snow, or ice. The Maxi-Lift is not insulated. Do not use near energized power lines. Refer to Appendix B, Figure 1 of the instruction manual. Look up to see if there will be any interference or obstruction with the platform as it is elevated. Extra caution should be taken when the Maxi-Lift is used in an area where it may suffer a collision from other equipment. Especially be aware of overhead collisions from hoists or cranes. If the unit must be used in the traveled path of a hoist or crane, remove the hoist or crane from service and lock out to prevent their operation. If the Maxi-Lift must be used in a traffic area, erect a barricade around it or post a guard at the base to alert such traffic. If the Maxi-Lift needs to be transported by truck or trailer and a forklift is to be used to place the Maxi-Lift onto the vehicle, then observe this portion of the video very carefully for placement of the fork tines. The unit must be balanced on the tines to prevent tipping when lifting and must be positioned so that no damage will result to any of the moving parts or to the structure of the Maxi-Lift. The tines of the lift must be narrow enough to go between the swivel casters and the vertical frame column. The Maxi-Lift features 4 independent outriggers for safety and convenience. The use of the outriggers is mandatory in the operation of the unit. All 4 outriggers must be extended in the proper position and in firm contact with the surface, or the Maxi-Lift will not operate. Pull each outrigger out as far as it will go. Do not force it beyond the stop, which prevents complete removal. Make sure that the Maxi-Lift is situated in the proper position and on a firm and level surface. Look up to be sure that the platform will give access where desired when raised. The outrigger jacks must then be screwed down into contact with the surface. The jacks must be adjusted to ensure that the Maxi-Lift frame is level with the floor. To help do this, a level may be placed as shown to assist in leveling the Maxi-Lift. Only after the outriggers are in place and adjusted will the Maxi-Lift controls operate. Do not tamper with the Outrigger interlock system. It is there for your safety. Locate the control panel on the base as indicated. The Maxi-Lift can only be operated to an elevated position when the power lock switch is turned with its key to the on position. The AC models must have a heavy-duty 12-gauge power cord plugged into a circuit that will handle 115 volts AC and 30 amps. The maximum recommended length should not exceed 50 feet. A power cord is not needed on DC models unless you wish to use the 115-volt outlet on the platform or to charge the battery. The ready lamp on the control panel indicates that the operating controls are functional. With the power switch in the on position, this lamp should be on. If it is not illuminated, make sure all 4 outriggers are fully extended and in firm contact with the surface. If the lamp is still off, check the emergency stop buttons. One is located next to the base control panel, and one is located on the platform control station. To reactivate the emergency stop buttons, rotate the red knob in the direction of the arrows, and it will pop out. If the lamp is still off, refer maintenance to a qualified person. An operation check of the Maxi-Lift can be accomplished by the use of the base controls. Be careful to avoid placing hands in the areas designated as pinch points. Doing this can result in a serious injury during the operation of the Maxi-Lift. The pinch point areas are designated with striped tape and labels located on the frame and on the platform control station. Check to be sure all personnel are clear of moving parts. With the ready lamp illuminated, depress the hold button and operate the up-down toggle switch to up. The platform should raise until the hold switch or the up-down switch is released. Operate the up-down switch to down while depressing the hold switch, and the platform should lower. The Maxi-Lift must move smoothly in both directions. Push in the emergency stop button and the base controls should be inactive and the ready lamp will go out. Reset the emergency stop button by rotating the red knob in the direction of the arrows. Operating the hold and down switch, lower the platform to its lowest position. If any function does not work properly, refer maintenance to a qualified person. Access to the platform from either side is by a simple slide bar for easy entrance without having to use latches or knobs. Simply lift the bar and step into the platform. The bars drop easily back into place, leaving both hands free for operating the Maxi-Lift. Do not disable the gate bars by raising and attaching them to the top rails. Shown on the platform panel are various danger, warning, and safety labels. Read these labels and observe all precautions listed on them. Do not exceed the maximum capacity as posted on the platform warning tag.